Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you but before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you have seen my last video, you know very well because I am having the practice with you. So that's why I am here and I am making the video in front of you. Actually, I told my last video how to learn English. I told everything which I am using. So today in my video I am going to tell you how to have the practice, because all the learner, all the person have a complaint how to have the practice, because I don't have any person and any environment how to improve our communication skills. So today in my video I am going to tell you everything which I am facing. Okay, so first of all, I would like to tell you, every person say something like this: the practice man perfect. So practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't imagination. Okay, practice is very important. If you are learner, you have practice more. Okay, you have to practice more. Without practice you can't imagination that you can speak English well. Okay, this is a your thinking wrong. Okay, you are thinking something wrong, so please avoid this thing and have the practice more. Now it's question rise, how to have the practice, because I don't have any partner. So how to improve our communication skill? So today I have a solution for you, because when you are alone at your home, so that time you can create any fake story and then you can speak with yourself. This is a very good way for improving English, even I am using. So that's why I am telling to you. In its question rise, how to improve our communication skill? I know, because I create any fake story. So how to come to know, because I am good or not, because I am having the improving my communication skill. So I have also solution these things, because if you have mobile phone, definitely you can use mobile phone and then you can record, and after that you can find your mistake. And after that, next time when you try to make the video, so you will think something like this: next times I will not make the mistake, because I can do it and definitely I will do it. Okay, so I think this way is very good for improving English and definitely you can use this way. And next thing, actually I have example. You want to drive but you don't know how to drive, because you don't have more much knowledge about driving. So first of all, you have to have the practice, and after that you can driving the car. So exactly the same thing, first of all you have to have practice in English. Another way you can use, you have to do make the habit. Okay, let's get into the habit of speaking English. When you walk, so that time you can speak in English. When you sit, so that time you can speak in English. When you think, only then you think in English. If you are seriously interested because you want to improve your communication skill, you should have the lots of practice, and without practice you can't speak English. Okay, please try, at least speak up in English and start thinking in English, so definitely you will be improved. Okay, so in the video I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.